everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have something beautiful and delicious. This California Club style salad that's inspired by the California Club sandwich. We're going to be using my creamy bacon ranch dressing to top this off today. I hope that you'll stick around because I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Okay, today we're going to be making a California Club salad, and I'm kind of taking inspiration from the California Club sandwich, which is a club sandwich that has bacon and avocado added to it and is just delicious. But this salad doesn't have any bread in it. It's really low carb, and so I thought it might be fun. We are also going to be using my creamy bacon ranch dressing, which is also low carb. And what we have to go in this salad, it's going to be a constructed salad, and I'm going to plate it, and it's going to be beautiful. I have some greens here. This is a head of romaine lettuce that's been chopped in bite-sized pieces and a couple of cups of baby spinach. I have some ham that is a ham steak, and then I went to the deli and I got peppered turkey, and I had them slice it approximately the same thickness as the ham steak. This is just Jenny O peppered turkey, and I've cut them both into julienne strips. We have a couple of avocados that I've cubed, some hard cooked eggs that I've cut in half, some cherry tomatoes, some green onion, some shredded Colby Jack cheese, and I have some Persian cucumbers that I've just cut in half and sliced, as well as about a half a cup of freshly cooked bacon that I have drained and crumbled and ran my knife through. That's what we're going to use for our California Club salad. You can feel free to add croutons to this, or torn soft bread is always a nice addition to a salad, I think. All right, we're just gonna start with a bed of greens. You can put whatever greens you like, that's up to you. I really like the combination of romaine and baby spinach. I think it's really, really lovely. And now we're just gonna do a constructed plating. So what I'm gonna do is just put little sections where we're gonna put some cucumber. We're gonna put some grape tomatoes. These are those heirloom grape tomatoes that are so beautiful. And we're gonna go in with some avocado cubes, some green onion. And any of these ingredients that you dislike, you should leave out, and you should add the things in that you do enjoy. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with some turkey. I'm gonna put the ham in like that. And then I'm gonna put a half of a hard cooked egg on either side there, and I'm going to sprinkle over some cheese kind of in the center, but I'm going to let it kind of cascade down, and then we're going to sprinkle over some bacon kind of the same way. That looks gorgeous.
Looks really good too.
And it looks like you got it at a restaurant, honestly. Now we're going to drizzle over our creamy bacon ranch dressing, and there you have it. I mean, it's gorgeous. If you want, you can dress it with a few more green onions just for color, and your salad is complete. How beautiful is that?
Looks pretty good.
I think it's going to make everybody quite happy. This is a very hearty dinner salad, and nobody is going to walk away from this hungry. That is how you make a beautiful and delicious California Club style salad. Feel free to add croutons or rolls on the side, whatever is your preference. Either way, you're going to really enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen and you wandered on over to see what was going on, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. And as always, if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this California Club salad a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya. I hope that you give this creamy bacon ranch dressing a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.